Hello everyone and welcome back to Tuscany. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in Arezzo, a beautiful and charming town in the center of Italy, very close to the border with Umbria. Today we are here to visit a spectacular Art Nouveau style villa that you see right behind me. The swimming pool is incredible and it even has its own private park with its tennis court. Are you ready? Let's begin the tour. Come with me. Arezzo is an excellent location because it offers all of the main services with a beautiful historical town, which is just 6-kilometer drive from the villa. Arezzo is also very well connected with its train station, and also you can reach Florence and its airport in just an hour, and also the airport of Pisa as well in 1 hour. The property is completely surrounded by this beautiful private park. It is 2.8 hectares and it is perfectly manicured with ancient trees and very well laid. It is a true grand villa and you understand it from the moment you drive in. In fact, it has an incredible driveway immersed in this nature and these trees that then leads to an ample parking area to then reach the villa. As you approach the villa, you will notice the guest house of the property, which together with the limonaia is about 170 square meters of internal space. It needs to be restored and it is great as a space for guests. By the parking area you can also access to the garage of the villa with also some technical rooms for the pool. And right behind me you can see the access to the swimming pool area. On the front part of the villa we find this incredible swimming pool. It is 16 by 10 meters with a maximum depth of 3.5 meters. It is right in front of the facade, so you have a beautiful view on this side, and on this other side you see the valley. By the swimming pool you have some changing rooms and bathrooms, and on the other side you have a nice tennis court to enjoy in the summertime. Welcome inside the villa. It is 675 square meters in internal space, which equal to about 7,200 square feet, with a total of 8 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. The property is in great structural condition, however, it would benefit from some remodeling works. As you enter, you will find the entrance with this large reception space that connects onto a library area on this side, while right behind me you enter into the large living space. This is a great room to gather together and is divided into a sitting area over here full of natural light with all of these openings on 2 sides, and a dining space on this side. The large fireplace is made out of stone and it is working with firewood. On the other side of the reception room at the center, we enter onto the kitchen and dining area space. You can see there is a second entrance from this level. By closing these doors, this becomes a comfortable service entrance. On this side we have the kitchen, which is also full of windows and full of natural light. And right in front we have the dining space. This is a traditional dining space full of natural light. The windows are large and on 2 sides. There is a bar area on this part, and the next is a working wood-burning fireplace. From this room we as well have direct access onto the front balcony, which overlooks the swimming pool and the view. On the floor below, which is the size of this floor, we find some auxiliary spaces like the laundry area, there is a private chapel, and as well some storage rooms and a snooker table room. Welcome to the first floor of the villa. Also here we find a spacious reception room like a real noble villa. From here all of the bedrooms connect. In fact, on this side we have two bedrooms, one in front of the other, and in the middle we also find access onto a nice balcony overlooking the private park. On this other side we find access to a third bedroom which has a different color of flooring with different marble, and as well has access onto its own private balcony overlooking the front part of the villa. Through this arch we pass on to the other side with the primary bedroom. In fact, on this side we have a double bedroom over here with lots of light because of the corner windows. Another view onto the park through this window, and then we get to the primary bedroom with its own spacious ensuite bathroom. And as well, this area could be also restructured into primary bedroom, and on this other side a walk-in closet to make a whole primary section. On the last floor, we're nearly at the tower, we find this reception space and access to 3 bedrooms. They all share this bathroom on this side. They can also be used as an office space or simply storage. Let's go and see the tower. Here we are in the tower of the villa. It is full of natural light since we have windows all around. This under roof space is great as an office. It can as well be a meditation space. It needs to be completely restored but has huge potential. And here we are ending today's property tour. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this villa. I think the right buyer could be someone that is looking for a noble residence with a grand entrance and some beautiful large spaces. Perhaps someone with a large family. In fact, there are lots of bedrooms. And understanding that the property needs a full renovation but offers a great base because there are several large rooms with beautiful volumes and lots of natural light. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comment section below and if you would like to visit in person. Remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!